Hi foodies, last Sunday I made some delicious curry goat with rice and potato salad, of course the vegetable salad. It was amazing. And I already have a video here on my channel showing you guys how I usually season the goat. This is just a quick video to show you how I cook it. Alright, so the goat was seasoned overnight. When I'm ready to cook it, I have my pot with oil over medium heat and then I stir in the curry powder. I like Better Pack brand. Sometimes I mix it with Chief brand. You want to stir this around in the oil for about 30 seconds. Do not burn it. You're just trying to cook it to release all of those nice flavors, okay? Then you can stir in some garlic until it's fragrant. You can also add ginger at this point, but I put a lot of ginger in the goat itself when I seasoned it. So I'm not adding ginger today. Once the garlic is fragrant, you are going to add that seasoned goat. So right now, you want to make sure your heat is on medium to medium high. Okay, because remember the goat is cold, so you don't want that pot to get really cold. You want the meat to sear. If you have a very small pot, you can sear some of the goat, set it aside and sear the rest. Another thing you could do is just to stir it the way I am, just to coat all the pieces of goat with that curry oil. Yes, I could have used a bigger pot. That would make it easier, but this actually works. It's gonna be fine. I'm stirring it to coat every piece with the curry oil, and then what I'll do is just allow it to sear a bit. Now you want all sides to hit the surface of the pot. So once you sear some of it, just flip them over, allow the other sides of the pieces of goat to hit the surface of the pot. After I've seared all of the goat, I cover the pot for a few minutes just to loosen any bits that are stuck to the bottom. Then I'm adding carrot, onion, garlic. There is ginger, scallion, thyme, allspice. Okay, I'm just gonna stir all of this together and then add water. Usually I try to have some boiling water ready so that the pot doesn't get cold. I just want to add hot water because the pot is already hot. Okay, so I will add my scotch bonnet pepper. If you want it super spicy, you can cut it up. And then I just pour in the water. And we're going to be simmering this on low to medium just until the goat is nice and tender. Do not boil it. You want to do low to medium until it's tender. While it's simmering, make sure you stir it occasionally and add water if you think it needs it. So after simmering it for a while and stirring, it's nice and tender, but not all the way complete, okay? It's got lots of flavor now, but we need to add more flavor. So all of those herbs and veggies have, melted into that stew, but we need to put some more. So I just repeat those same things: the scotch bonnet, thyme, scallion, ginger, onion, garlic, the carrot. Then we're going to cover this and simmer it for a shorter time at this point. So at this point, the goat is cooked. We just want to get some more of those fresh ingredients in there at the end. So go ahead and cover it and just simmer till you're satisfied with the flavor of the gravy. And that is it, guys. It is absolutely delicious. All you need to do is remove those pieces of thyme, remove your scotch bonnet, and serve this up. The benefit of not boiling the goat, but simmering it slowly and on a low heat is you're gonna get a nice tender meat instead of a stringy meat. In Jamaica, we love to have curry goat with plain rice. Simple plain rice. Okay? And then you have some special people out there that like to have it with rice and peas. Okay? So whatever floats your boat, have it with your goat. Alright? If it's roti, go ahead, have it with the goat. It's absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comment section if your seasonings and steps are similar or different. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.